Okay, Algebra 1, Unit 7 test, Part 2. Number 10. Subtract this two binomial. Okay, first we're going to check 12x squared minus, there's a minus 7x x squared. So 12 minus 7, that's 5. So 5x squared. So now, positive 6, subtract positive 10. So that is 6, subtract 10. That's negative 4, right? So negative 4. Okay, number 11, multiply x plus 16, x minus 5. You can use distributive property. X distribute. Yeah, so x times x, x squared. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 5, that's negative 5x. So we have to use the distributive twice. Yeah, so and then the x is done. We're going to do the second term, positive 16. So 16 times x, that's a positive 16x. And then 16 times negative 5, that's negative 80. Now we have two like terms in the middle, which is negative 5x plus 16x. So negative 5 plus 16. That is 16 minus 5, right? So that's 11. So the first term, copy, and then plus 11x and minus 80. So we're done. The final answer is this. But you need to show your work, which is this step, right? Let me make this a little thinner. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Oh, multiply. Number 12. Multiply x minus 6 square. We're going to use a formula. The formula is a minus b parentheses square. This is equal to a square. And the last term is plus b square. We don't need to worry b is positive or negative. If here is negative, the second term is going to be negative. Negative 2 times a times b. So that's it. That's the formula. So x minus 6 parentheses square. That's going to be the first term, x squared. Because here is a minus. Go to minus 2 times x and then times 6. Yeah? And then plus 6 squared, right? So this equal to x squared minus 2 times 6. 2 times 6, that's 12. So minus 12 squared plus 36. This is the final answer. And this is your work. Okay, number 13. Number 13, if x equal to 3, what is the value of this thing, right? Show your work. So we're going to replace x by 3. So x squared, that's 3 squared, minus 2x, 2 times x, which is 2 times 3, and plus 15. So this is 9 squared minus 6 plus 15. This is equal to, oh, no, not 9 squared, it's 9. Sorry, here it's just 9. So it's 9 minus 6, that's 3. 3 plus 15, that's 18. So your final answer is 18. And this is your work, right? Number 14, multiply x plus 8, x minus 8. So this, we're going to use a formula. A plus b times a minus b. This formula, the name of this formula, I believe, is the difference of square. So this equal, look at here, we have a, b, b, right? The same. The first term in the binomial, they're the same, right? This is a, this is a. The second term also the same. This is b, this is b. Only difference is the first is plus, the second is minus. This equal to what? This equal to first term square minus the second term square. That's it. So for this one, look, here's x, 8, right? They're the same. And one is plus, one is minus. So this is going to be x squared minus 8 squared. This equal to x squared minus 64. Because 8 squared is 64, right? So the final answer is this. Number 15 is kind of the same, but the first term we have two things, number and the variable. So we're going to do the first thing square, and minus is the second thing square. So 2x squared, we have to do 2 squared, and then x squared, so minus 49. 7 squared is 49. This equal to 2 squared, that's 4. So 4x squared minus 49. So this is our final answer. Number 16, multiply. Another formula. We had a formula right here. This is minus. And then we also have a formula, is plus. So a plus b squared equal to first term squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If here is a plus, here is a plus. If this is minus, here going to be minus. So this is going to be first term, so 3x squared plus 2 times the first term, and then times the second term, and plus 5 squared. So 3x parentheses squared, this is just 9x squared, plus 2 times 3, that's 6. 6 times 5, that's 30. Right? 30, and don't forget the x, and then plus 25. So that's it. 5 squared is 25. So that's it. We are done for number 16. Second page. Number 17 is a big question. We have a rectangular shape, rectangle, right? Write a polynomial that represents the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is all the sides add up, right? All the sides add up. We have a formula for perimeter of the rectangle, which is a times 2 times a plus b. So a represent maybe length. Sometimes they use sometimes we use L represent the length, W represent the width, right? So this means the rectangle, the length is L, the width is W. We add them up together and multiply by 2, right? So according to the formula, we are going to write 2 multiply. What's the length? The length is 5 plus 4x, right? And then what's the width? The width is x, so we need to add x. Now we can simplify a little bit, because 4x plus x is 5x, right? So plus 5x. So that's it. So this is the final answer. B, find the perimeter of the rectangle in inches if x equal to 3. So x equal to 3, so I'm going to replace x by 3. So 5 plus, well, I'm copying the formula here. I only replace x by 3, right? Replace x by 3. So this equal to 2 times 5 plus 5 times 3, that's 15, right? So 5 plus 15, that's 20. 20, and then multiply by 2, that's 40, right? So 2 times 20, that's 40. So don't forget the unit, inches. So inch. So the perimeter is 40 inch, right? Okay, C, write a polynomial that represents the area of a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is just the length times the width, right? So the area here should be, the length is 5 plus 4x times the width, so times x, right? Or I can put the x to the front. The multiplication, it doesn't matter, right? Front, the order doesn't matter. So if you want to simplify, so that means, so x times 5, that's 5x. X times 4x, that's 4x squared. Either form, if you want to just leave it like this, it's fine. But this is a polynomial multiplication. So this one is better. This one is a polynomial, right? This one is the correct answer, in fact. Okay, D. Find the area of rectangle in inches. Should be inch square inches. I think there's one letter, one word missing. This is square inches. If x equal to 5. So we just copy this thing, replace x by 5. So 5x, that means 5 times x, which is 5 times 5, plus 4 times x squared, that means 5 squared. 5 times 5, 25. 4 times 5 squared, also 25. So this equal to 25 plus 4 times 25, that's 100. So the final answer is 125 inch square. So that's the unit, inch square. Number 18, x credit. So it's a square, right? Square, that means all the 4 sides are the same. So for parameter, that means 4 times the side length. So this equal to 28x plus 8. I did the distributive property. 4 times 7x, 28x. 4 times 2, that's 8, right? Find the parameter of the square in inches if x equal to 4. So 28 times 4 plus 8. So 28 plus 4. Let me use the calculator. So 28 times 4 is equal to 112 plus 8. That's 120. So 120 inches. Number C. I think after C is CD. That's the last question. So write a polynomial represent the area. The area just the side square, right? Side times side. So 7x plus 2 and then square. That's it. So the first term square, so 49x squared plus 2 times 7x, and then times 2, that's 28x. So 28x, and then plus 2 squared, that is 4. So that's it. That's the area. Polynomial. So find the area. Last question. If x equal to 7, so that is 49 times 7 squared plus 28 times 7 and then plus 4. Ooh. So 49 times 7 squared is also 49. 28 times 7. So 196 plus 4. So 49 times 49 is equal to 2401. So the final answer is 196 plus 4 equal to 2601 inch square. That's it.